Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Voicemod not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply go ahead and check or open up the settings for your Voicemod application. So from here, you then want to click on the gear icon. This is going to be the settings button. Basically inside, we can then see the input and output of our Voicemod. So you want to make sure that you are using the right microphone in order for this to work. Now in my case, I'm using a voice meter right here, or I could also be using something like my USB condenser microphone, which is going to be the raw microphone for my computer. So you just want to make sure that you have selected the right microphone to make sure that it captures your voice. From there, you then want to also select the headphones that you want to use. Now, after doing so, you will also go ahead and see the noise suppression right here. So if it's on something like 200, you won't be able to go ahead and hear yourself. Or if it's something like on 0, as you can see, there's no more input into our voice right here. So you just want to make sure that it captures on the green section of the Voicemod right here. And basically, once you have learned that you are on the sweet spot, you're good to go. From there, you then also want to navigate through the general button, and you want to make sure that you want to set Voicemod microphone as default is enabled. Now, from there, you then want to simply also make sure that you turned up the voice volume for this specific Voicemod that you are using. In our case, it's going to be the magic chords. So you also want to make sure that it's on something like 100. So those are the few ways in order for you to check your Voicemod settings. Now, another way is to simply head over to the sound settings right here. Navigate through the input, and you also want to make sure that you are using the microphone Voicemod virtual audio device. From there, we'll be able to make sure that it filters out our audio and we use the right microphone, which is going to be Voicemod. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.